Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be creating a greeting card that you can print from your own home printer. So I'll be using Photoshop for this tutorial. So we'll just open up a new document and you'll want to make sure that it's a 8.5 by 11 at 300 DPI, and you'll just click create. And then the first step is you'll go to view and then new guide, and you'll want to do 50% vertical and 50% horizontal. This ensures that both horizontal and vertical, you have a clear straight center for us to be able to create the card. And then what you'll do next is you'll just insert files that you have created. I use Procreate to create my files, and then I just resize them. Basically, for each corner, it's a 4.2 by 5.5 rectangle. So what I'm doing here is just making sure that everything is lined up. And how you'll know that it's lined up, whenever you drag it, you'll see those pink snap lines show up. That's how you know it's directly in the 4 rectangles there that we created. So since we'll be making 2 cards on this one file, I'll just go to layer, duplicate layer, and then you'll be able to just drag the image down to the bottom half there for you. Again, making sure everything is lined up and in place for you. Then you'll get the front image that you want on your card. Again, pretty much the same thing. We're just going to be sizing and making sure everything is in that top right hand corner there for us. Again, just making sure everything is snapped in place. Waiting until those pink lines show up, letting me know that it's going to be the exact dimensions that I need it to be at a 4.2 by 5.5 file. Again, since we're making 2 cards out of this document, what we'll do next, once everything is there in place how I want it to be, we'll just go to layer and duplicate layer again for us. Once you have your layer duplicated, again, you'll just drag and drop it down there, making sure that everything is centered how you want it exactly. Just go to File, Export as quick PNG, always works fine for me. You just open up the file, go to File, then Print. And then I always make sure that I change my preset to matte, because that's the kind of paper that I personally print on. And make sure that you always choose borderless if you want a full bleed on your paper, and just get it printed. And this is what the final product looked like. I really love the way the colors printed on this photomat paper that I use. I personally use the Epson, I believe it's Ultra matte photo paper. And then I'll just get the cards cut and scored, and they're ready to go.